Hi kids, let's learn about can and can't. Can and can't refers to the ability to do something. For example, he can stand on one leg. He has the ability to stand. He can't stand on one leg. He doesn't have the ability to stand. Let's look at the affirmative form. The structure is subject plus can plus verb in base form. For example, he can walk. He has the ability to walk. Let's look at more examples. I can smile. I have the ability to smile. Frogs can jump. They have the ability to jump. She can jump too. She has the ability to jump. Cheetah can run. Cheetah has the ability to run. They can run too. They have the ability to run. Rabbits can eat. They have the ability to eat. She can eat too. She has the ability to eat. Fish can swim. They have the ability to swim. He can swim too. He has the ability to swim. Negative form. Structure, subject plus can't plus verb in base form. For example, she can't walk. She doesn't have the ability to walk. Tips. Can't also refers to cannot. They mean the same. Let's look at more examples. He can't swim. He cannot swim. He doesn't have the ability to swim. She can't go to school. She is sick. Cow can't fly. It doesn't have the ability to fly. Octopus can't run. They can only swim in water. He can't see. He's blind. She can't eat. She wants to vomit. He can't talk. Someone shuts his mouth. Interrogative form. Structure, can plus subject plus verb in base form. For example, can he sleep? Let's look at more examples. Can mouse run? Yes, it can. Can birds swim? No, they can't. For more revision notes and quizzes, not only on this topic, but also many other exciting lessons on various subjects, please join Madam Etty at Osem Revision Apps. The links are available in the description box below. Number 1. Download Osem Apps in your tablet or phones. Number 2. Click on Madam Etty's profile link available in the description box below. Number 3. Click follow so that you will be notified earlier when Madam Etty publish a new lesson. Last words from me, learning is fun. Enjoy!